Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an offer for all of you. I'm making a limited time offer, a 50% discount on the activation of your LeadsLeap profits system. So if you decide that within 6 days you want to activate your LeadsLeap profits account through my referral link, then I will activate it for only $5 instead of $10. That is the real cost of this system. Now let me just go real quickly on what this system is and what is why it's related with LeadsLeap.com. For those who don't know, LeadsLeap.com, for me at least, is the best advertising platform there is out there. Okay, no doubt about that. I've talked about LeadsLeap. I've already have a playlist with some tutorial videos for absolute beginners, if you will. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video and you can check it out if you wanna take advantage of this perfect site, I would call it. And LeadsLeap Profits is a system that will help you use the full potential of LeadsLeap.com. So if you are new at this type of platforms, at making money online niche, and you don't have time to learn everything or you don't understand everything about it, then LeadsLeap Profits will do that for you. So all you have to do is activate this account, follow the daily training. There are 10 days of training, and then you are good to go. That's it. So it took me a lot of time to get used to LeadsLeap.com, but with this system, with LeadsLeap Profits, you will do it for only 10 days. And like I said, this is not a free system, as you can read here, and the real cost to activate this system is $10. That's what I paid to my upline, to my sponsor. But for a limited time, for only 6 days from now, I will do a 50% discount for this account. All you have to do is sign up under my link through this landing page, the link of which you will find in the description of this video. And as you can see, there is no opt-in form. You just have to click here, go to LeadsLeap Profits, create account or sign up, okay? And all you have to do is sign up under my link. Then we can communicate via email. The moment you create your account on LeadsLeap Profits, you will have all the necessary details and email address to contact me personally. And then we can talk about how you can make the payment. As of now, I use Skrill and PayPal, but we can talk about cryptocurrency as well. Okay? So if you want to profit, if you want to take advantage of this offer, act fast. As you can see, this is a limited time offer, and after 6 days I will remove this offer. It won't be available anymore. Okay, so today's video was all about this offer, guys. If you want to activate your account, you will find the necessary links in the description of this video, so make sure also to check the description. And I recommend that you watch my tutorial videos, the link of which also you will find in the description of this one, so you can create an idea how LeadsLeap works and also how LeadsLeap Profits works and looks like before you decide to take any action. Okay, and in the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.